Very good afternoon, welcome along. Been one of those weeks. I think I've got a lot done, haven't really. So with my work, I start work at 3:30, 4:30 in the morning. So I get back midday-ish and then kind of have a sit down, little nap, and then time gets away from me. But I'll show you a little bit of what I've been doing, because everything's piled up on the worktop, and then we'll take a few things apart. So here we are, messy workbench. We've even got some plants over here. But I've got a fuse box sitting in the corner, kind of ready to go. And I've got a little pile of copper bits, more copper bits, the transformers that are ready to go onto the copper ball. I've got a box full of nuts and bolts and bits and pieces which I've taken off this week. So there's quite a lot in there, but pretty worthless. And I've got some copper, some alley, and a little pile of brass. Oh, and a motor there. So we'll get this cleared away and then we'll take a few bits apart. A bit better, isn't it? So what we got? Start off with something famous last words, relatively easy, and we'll see what we can get out of this. Well, that's the fan done, just a bit of micro scrapping to get the copper out of there. Well, that's only 4 screws, so let's have a look. It's so easy to get distracted, isn't it? But it should be an easy one to do. Looks like there's a nice bit of copper in there anyway. Don't know why anyone would need a fan up here, it never gets warm enough. Top temperature this summer has been 19 degrees. There we go, that's another one for the motor pot. And that come out of there. There we go. Hammer. He don't want to come out of there, does he? Oh, that's because that's got to be undone. Duh. There we go. And then that goes in with the same pot as these. I'll just take those little bits off and we'll be good to go on that. That can go there. Nice bit of copper. So we set that down there, and load of bits of nuts and bolts and stuff. They can go. That's plastic. So is that one. That can go in there. Right. Let's have a go at this thing. A Fellows Ion A4. Let's have a look. Not a clue what it is, but we shall see. Well, there were just 4 screws in that, and away comes the top. You can see we've got a tiny little circuit board, probably nothing on that. That's just a couple of LEDs, so we'll snip that off straight away. Screws in there, they're just holding plastic pieces on. Just a little on-off switch. Another little board inside there. Let's see if we can get that out. Another screw there. Take that off. And cut that one. Let's just snip them as well. That one. There we go, another little board, and a screw or 2. Should, there we go, just pop straight out of there. A few more little screws in the bottom. This one's been sitting outside for a while, judging by what's inside of it. All grasses and bits and pieces. Right, is that going to pop off of there? Yep. We'll just pop that out of there. I think that's it. Yep, nothing else there. Screws, screws and screws. Now, we'll have a look what's in this. There's a motor up the other end. Well, there's got to be one in it. is that alley? Nope. No such luck. There we go. That's right. More bits of plastic popping off. Well, he doesn't want to come out there, does he? Come on. There we go. Don't want to let any of them get away. Might make me some pennies. Oh, another bit falling off. Good. That could be Ali, which would be nice if that is. Maybe I should do one of those scrap marathon videos where I just take stuff apart for an hour. I don't know how many of you would find that interesting. Depends how much I waffle on. I'm not doing too much waffling today, which I'm sure some of you will be really pleased about. Never too late to start. There's a tiny little board, look at that. A bit of brass in there. God, don't let that get away. Now, does that just... Right, it's all falling apart on me. That's always good. Minimal effort. Oh, the local wildlife has been inside there. The remains of an earwig. Nice. Oh, of course there's a screw in there. Just found out today I can watch YouTube videos while I'm on the treadmill at the gym. So hopefully I'll be able to catch up on some of your videos there. All the people that I like to watch. Which hopefully will make watching videos a little bit, a little bit easier. Although we have just had our internet cables laid here. Fibre. There's some nice little bits of value there. Yeah, we just had fibre cables fitted up and down the road. There's some nice bits of steel inside there. It's just a matter of cutting those off, which shouldn't be too difficult. Let's see if we can pull them out of there. Let's have a look. That's just a heating strip. But there are also, looking at that, might be copper on there. Tiny, tiny bits of copper. Not copper, brass. God's sake, what a moron. There we go. There's some tiny, tiny pieces of brass in there. And obviously we want to get everything we can. So we'll just pull that off there as well, because that little cable there weighs something. You just got to unravel it from here, which doesn't take long. If anyone knows what this stuff is, I'd love to know. And obviously because it's not an old machine, it's not going to be asbestos or anything. I just wondered what it was made of. Because it kind of, when it breaks up, it does go into kind of a dust, which probably isn't good. But, yeah, if anyone knows, stick it in the comments and I'd be most grateful. It's kind of similar to what you'd find in a toaster. but on a kind of lighter scale. So we've got a motor there, so that's good. Got a couple of nice pieces of alley, also good. Yeah, that's alright. Nice and easy to do, which is the main thing. We like things that are easy to do. Let's just snip that. Then I can get that out of there. Yeah. That's because that one goes around there, doesn't it? Let's get that off there. There we go, more plastic. I'll just hopefully show you this. And that should just pull straight off of there, he says. This will be the only one that's ever not. That's stuck on there. Oh, you would. Well, we might have to find another way to do that. You can do it that way, and that will get that off. Because I just like to take everything in clean. You might not have to do that with your yard, but that's just something I like to do. But yeah, that'll be a case of just, I'll go around it like that. Well, it's nice and easy to do anyway, so there we go. Like a little squid. A couple of nice bits of steel there as well, so I think that might do for now. Make a little dent to get a few things done. Made a mess again. Chickens are going bananas outside again. A little bit of a different video of me just doing what we do, scrapping stuff, clearing up mess and then making mess again. Yay. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you'll have a more productive week than I had last week, and hopefully I'll have a better one this coming week. Next skip day is the 21st of September, so I need to get some stuff done so I can get some more, but we'll see how it goes. But thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the likes and the comments. I do try and get back to all of them, and keep scrapping.